I can really see that everyone is really loving my kibbeh recipe. Today, I am gonna make a dish called Kibbeh Labanieh, which means kibbeh with yogurt. It is original, exquisite, different, and authentic. Stay tuned. For all of you who never tried this dish and you're looking for something authentic, you should definitely do the Kibbeh Labanieh. Beautiful people, you will not believe that this dish will take only 10 minutes to prepare. It's very simple. Anyways, let's start making the Kibbeh Labanieh. At first, in a bowl, we're gonna have some full fat yogurt. We're gonna add a bit of salt, a bit of cornstarch. We're gonna mix the entire combination until everything is well combined. Now, in a medium pot, on a low heat, we're gonna add the combination of the full fat yogurt. You need to whisk non-stop, and this is very important because you don't want the yogurt to burn. The entire idea of mixing while putting the cornstarch with it, because we want the yogurt to thicken. Once it starts to be bubbly and the yogurt starts to thicken, this is when you know it's done. Do you know that you can add some braised pearl onions inside? I think it would be great. The second step, we are gonna deep fry the kibbeh for around 3 minutes. It's very simple, it's not gonna take too much long, and we need the texture to be golden brown and crispy. By the way, if you don't like the kibbeh to be fried, you can always bake them. There's no issues and there's no problem at all. Beautiful people, if you want to learn how to make the kibbeh balls itself, I am gonna add the link in my description below so you can learn how to make it. Do you know once you make your kibbeh balls, you can always freeze them? And they can last at least for 3 months in the freezer. And once you want to make this dish, it's gonna be very simple and very easy to do. Now, in a small pan, in a medium heat, we can add a bit of olive oil, some crushed garlic. We're gonna mix until the garlic softens. We can add the finely chopped coriander. We're gonna mix the entire combination until everything is properly cooked. But be careful, we don't want to overcook the mixture because we don't want it to be very dry. It's been 20 years I'm working in this business. And to be honest with you, every time I make a dish, I don't know, it really makes me happy. And I really enjoy cooking. What about you? Let me know in the comment below. All the mise en place is ready, everything is ready. Let's make the Kibbeh Labanieh. Now we're gonna add the garlic mixture into the pot with the yogurt, and we're gonna mix the entire combination. And you have to taste it to see if you need a bit of salt, a bit of more garlic, so you can adjust it. For the final stage, it's very basic. In a white plate, we're gonna add the fried kibbeh balls. We're gonna add the yogurt on the top. Then we're gonna add the mixture of the coriander on the top as well. And we're gonna finalize it with the fried pine seeds on the top. The Kibbeh Labanieh is always served with the vermicelli rice. As well, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful vermicelli rice, you can find the link in my description below. Oh my goodness, this dish looks very, very good. Lovely people, once you cook this dish at home, leave me a comment and let me know how it turns out for you.